Hi everyone! For today's DIY, I will be showing you how to add flair to your kitchen with framed note boards. It's pretty simple, but adds a touch of decor to your kitchen or really any room. Here you will see I came up with 5 different options, varying the frames and accent papers. Alright, to get started you will see all my materials laid out on my workspace. You can really use any frames you have lying around your home, but first I'm going to start with the gray frame. So, like with all basic framing, you will need to cut your paper to size, and the best way I have found is to use the paper they give you inside as a stencil. This specific straight edge cutter I found at Hobby Lobby and was very inexpensive, maybe around $5. For these note boards, I like to use vis-a-vis markers over dry erase because they have a finer tip and are smudge proof. Here I'm just writing a reminder note as one example of how to use them. I'm now moving on to the white frame, doing the same steps as before. This scrapbook paper has a lot busier of a print, which makes it harder to see the writing, so I added a solid color to the center. Once again, I added an example of something you can write on these, but these also work great for daily affirmations, sayings, or even quotes. This frame is a larger 8x10, which is perfect depending on your needs. For this one, I chose to print a header on the scrapbook paper for a different kind of look. Especially for this size, these work perfectly for grocery lists or really lists of any kind. I also decided to spice this one up with some flowers on the corner. It added a really good rustic touch. As you can see here, the best place to put these, in my opinion, is by my Keurig in my kitchen. It's a great addition to your current coffee bar setup. I also keep one in my hallway, which you will see in a few moments, by the front door. And it's a simple, cheap DIY that adds a little touch to any room. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time.